Hey guys, it's Breda from Breda's Goofy YouTube channel. And today's theme is something new. So last night I was at the football game and I was at Mr. Gaddy's. And I'm sorry I couldn't film part 2 with my tablet, but I did film part 2 with my phone. So just a little reminder. So like I said, today I'm going to be doing a test phase on a new Gumball machine because I got 1,274 tickets last night. And I was able to get my friend Zach, yeah, he was featured in the first video on the bus, part 1. He's there. And so yeah, he was featured in part 1, and I got him a little motorcycle toy, and I used the rest of them to get me a nice Gumball machine. So yeah, nothing more to say, so let's get to it. So what you're going to need, obviously, is your Gumball machine. And yes, I have already opened it, and I took it out of the wrapper and everything so I can make this video. Yes, my hair's a mess right now. So yeah, that's the Gumball machine. Then you'll need a cup, a little box, or just something small enough to hold your beads, like this. Yeah. And then your beads. Or something smaller, like, I don't know, definitely not a bouncy ball. Like, well, who knows what. This is the smallest thing I could get. Alright? So don't judge. So, yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my beads in. Pour my beads into the box. So give me 1 second. So I've got my beads all poured in. And here they are. More beads than it looks like. And I haven't taken it out yet, so I want you to be surprised. Since, yes, I opened it yesterday. And, like, you see how it looks on the outside? That's not really what it looks like. I know what it really looks like. It's on the other side of the box, but I'm not going to let you guys see until I've opened it. See this little flap thingy? Ugh. 3, 2, 1. Gumball machine. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I like this. See? Alright. Now, you're not at a very good angle to see, so 1 second here. I'm back. So I'm going to need to set something up in front of the camera. That way you don't, fall over like you have in some of my previous videos. So, now, here's the Gumball machine. Now we're going to take this off and set it right there. Then, take your beads. Take 1. And then set it in. Now if it doesn't land the hole, just grab a couple more beads and toss them in. Now, did you hear that? Now. Friends and co-workers who recalled how much Steve was looking forward to the weekend getaway with his wife. See? Sometimes there comes another one. I try to get past that a lot of times, especially when my family gets together. We think of really good times still. And I remember with him, like I said, he was my big brother. I remember see, 3 beads came down. All 3. See? So that's your normal test phase. I'm gonna do it again. Hey, let's shove all the beads in there and see what happens. I put all the beads there for idiotic reason. I just hope. Oh, really? I thought you guys weren't gonna fall. There. See?
With the most common causes of the fire eliminated, a lit cigar might have been the cause, but investigators could find no evidence of the cigar butt or ashes.
Now all the bees are going down. Oh my gosh. One second. More coming out. Alrighty then. The little exit is getting filled up, so. Ah! Here.
We got a pillowcase, and we did our own burn test. Went out and got a hold of some backwood cigars, lit the cigars, and placed them on the pillowcase, and then directly on the pillow, made a crease in the pillow, and we did this repeatedly. Hotels usually use bed coverings treated with flame retardant
27 days later.
At no point could we get the pillow case or the bedspread to burn.
I knew that. I couldn't keep a straight face.
Was not known to be a smoker. He didn't smoke. He didn't smoke at all. In fact, at one time during a golf banquet sales meeting, he was offered some very fine cigars by one of the salesmen who were selling some equipment for lawn care. And he refused and told his friend, I don't know why these people would even smoke those things. But it seems Rico was dead when the fire started. What killed him?
How should I know? I know, Maniac. I've seen this episode before, but I don't remember. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scream at you guys. And I had a lot of fun on the bus ride and the football game. I was chatting with my friend, and oh my gosh, those two get me so much. Especially Cam and Rai. Riley's a girl, by the way. Cam, which is Cameron, he's a boy. I was a girl named Cam. I mean Cameron. That's a nickname from everybody. Cam. Mine's Bray. I'm sorry, my allergies are to something from Snapchat. Yes, I officially have my social media back. All of it. Musically, Snapchat. Unfortunately, I changed both of them. I'm sorry, I couldn't remember. I thought I remembered my password. Snapchat. But I did not. And I could have sworn I wrote it on here. Oh. Okay then. Fascinating. I'm gonna do a whisper challenge soon once I get one of my friends to do it with me. If I have a sleepover, cause I'm pretty sure you've seen. Hold on. Huh? 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Where's that box at? Here.
infection or have symptoms such as fever, sweats, chills, muscle aches, or coughing. Sometimes infection have had cancer, develop any new skin growths, or genuine power needs or has recently received the vaccine. Alert your doctor of new or worsening problems, including headaches, seizures, confusion, and vision problems. These may be signs of a rare
There we go.
Some seriously
All these are officially almost. Make sure I've got all of these beads on. Yep, they're all out. I love my Gumball machine.
Sniffing dogs identified a flammable liquid on the bedroom floor at the foot of the bed. But chemical tests on the debris from the hotel room could not identify the accelerant. Therefore, the findings of the accelerant sniffing dogs would not be admissible in court. Nonetheless, the fire marshal ruled the fire arson. There were empty beer bottles in the hotel room, and Kim said Steve was drinking heavily at dinner. But the autopsy found no alcohol in the system. A background check revealed Steve had over $400,000 worth of life insurance with his wife Kim as the beneficiary.
Hi.
Interestingly, Kim purchased
Hey.
an additional $250,000 policy on Steve's life shortly before he died.
What do you think's going to be like Gumball next?
Detectives also learned
Stay tuned.
that Kim Rico was having
Hey guys, that was Breda from Roll channel. And soon I'll be starting another YouTube channel called Breda's Goofy. No, Breda's Sassy YouTube channel. Makeup tutorials. Yeah. Makeup tutorials, outfits, tips on being sassy around guys, tips on handling guys, and everything like that. So, if you want me to start it now or 2 months from now, because I may not be ready, let me know in the comments, please. And can I get more subscribers? Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Wait. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, guys. Wait, I said that wrong. Bye, guys.